The third step in the Islamic will and legacy plan is to document, and the tool that we use here is the last will template. After we click on make a copy, you'll see that there are places that are in bold with square brackets for you to fill out. All of this information you can take directly from your Islamic Will Workbook. You can just copy and paste it over here. Make sure that you read through every article and every clause. This will was written with simplicity in mind, and so all of it should be pretty straightforward and easy to understand. And if you go through here, you'll see that there's a place for your bequests. If you do not have any bequests, then you can leave this blank. The distribution of the estate is spelled out in Schedule A, which is what we'll get to in a second. If you don't have any children, you can delete all of Article 6 and Article 7. And then read through again the dispute resolution. And then finally here we have the signatures page. You're going to want to fill out your name, your address, and then this is where you sign, date, and then you need to have that signed and dated in front of two witnesses who will also sign and date in your presence. The number one reason why a will like this would be rejected is because it hasn't been signed properly. And if you do not sign this will properly, then it is not a legal document. So it's really important that you sign in the presence of two witnesses and have those witnesses sign in your presence. The information around signing and how to with the signing is listed on the walkthrough page. It's a good idea to sign with blue ink just to distinguish between originals and copies. And it's important also to note that you need to initial the bottom of each of the pages printed. You'll notice that Schedule A here is the Islamic distribution of the estate. This is sort of a standard distribution schedule that is often included in Islamic wills. And so one of these scenarios would be you when you pass away, and it will ultimately mirror what your distribution is on the workbook. Once you've printed and then signed in the presence of two witnesses your will, and then those witnesses have also signed in your presence, it becomes a legal document. An additional step is to have one of your witnesses complete an affidavit of execution. This is a step that will help the probate process after you pass. It's an essential step eventually, so it's a good idea to get it done while you are alive and well. There are more details about execution on the walkthrough page. Once you have those documents printed, signed properly, you want to take that last will, you want to take the workbook, and you want to place that into your legacy folder here and inform your executor of its location.